Merry Christmas from the Milnes. We're supposed to be the Simpsons. It's not me that ate the cookies. It was the ghost. Next one gets a little bit intense. I got to be Italia. I also love that he still included the dog and it's the hand. Grandpa lived with us, so he's this old fuddy-duddy cow here, and this is supposed to be the far side. When Men in Black came out, we were Milnes in Black. This is when Got Milk was very popular. I believe the slogan was Got Milnes. This year was the year The Incredibles came out. And this is the year I got married. You know when those like thumb videos came out on YouTube forever ago? This was during that time. So we all got to be little thumb characters. I'm proud of this one because this took me forever to Photoshop, and we are the Pirates of the Caribbean. And that other one was so hard, we went simpler this year, and we all just got to be Christmas ornaments of different Harry Potter characters. And then this is when we all started branching off into our separate families. And my husband John at the bottom, we had 4 kids at that point.